Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop an image in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that will help you remove unwanted areas from your images and focus on the most important parts of your design. Cropping is one of the most commonly used editing techniques because it helps improve composition, remove distractions, and make your images fit better into your creative projects. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Make sure your image is ready and visible in your workspace before moving forward. Before cropping, it is always a good idea to check that your image is placed correctly and that you are working on the correct layer. This will help you avoid accidentally editing the wrong element, especially when working on larger design projects with multiple layers. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Pixel. This switches your workspace to Pixel Persona, which is specifically designed for editing raster images and photos. This mode gives you access to the cropping tools you'll need. Pixel Persona is where you can work with photos and pixel-based elements. Unlike vector editing, raster editing allows you to make changes directly to image details, making it the right workspace for tasks like cropping, retouching, and photo adjustments. Next, head over to the left sidebar and click on Crop Tool. This activates the cropping functionality, allowing you to define which part of your image you want to keep and which areas you want to remove. The crop tool is useful when you want to improve the focus of an image. For example, if your photo contains extra space around the subject or unwanted objects near the edges, cropping helps you create a cleaner and more professional result. With the crop tool selected, click directly on your image. This action activates the crop handles, which will appear as small squares or lines around the edges of your image. These handles are what you'll use to adjust your crop area. Now comes the actual cropping part. Drag the corner or edge handles inward to crop the image to your desired area. You have full control over how much you want to trim from each side. Try adjusting the crop slowly and check the overall balance of your image. A good crop should keep the main subject clear while removing unnecessary space. This technique is especially helpful when preparing images for social media posts, websites, presentations, or digital artwork. If you need to maintain the original proportions of your image, simply hold Shift while dragging the handles. This prevents distortion and keeps your image looking natural. Keeping the correct proportions is important because stretching or squeezing an image can make people or objects look unnatural. Using the Shift key helps maintain the original shape and keeps your design quality consistent. Once you're satisfied with how your crop looks, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the crop. The unwanted areas will be permanently removed, and your image will be trimmed to the exact dimensions you specified, and there you have it. After applying the crop, take a quick look at your final image to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can always adjust your crop again to achieve the perfect composition. You've successfully cropped an image in Affinity Designer. This simple technique can make a big difference in your designs by helping you create cleaner, more focused, and visually appealing images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.